the Progressive Governors Forum. Harvest to support and encourage the federal government and various support our party. Reviewed the last two elections in those states, assessed our performance, and then resolved to work more to impress Nigerians who in their wisdom voted us to power, and also to support the government of Nigeria in their efforts to alleviate the negative effects of the various reform programs with a view to creating more palliative measures until the permanent dividends will begin to accrue. So we'll have a very useful conversation and discussions on how to forge a stronger alliance as a forum to support Mr. President to create prosperity for the country.
By any chance, was the issue of the tax reform bill discussed?
Of course, yes. We cannot meet without looking at it. But you know, like all of us are aware, the bill is already with National Assembly. We will liaise with National Assembly to strengthen the engagements and then look at the bill and then come out with something that will please and protect our national interests. Our security agencies have risen to the occasion, and as at a few days ago, I'm aware that both the police, the army, the air force, they have sent a joint team to handle the issue, and we will continue to support our security agencies to ensure that Nigeria is safe.